working in 5 special schools across the BCP region, and we've been creating new music that explores the theme of happiness, or what makes us happy, what makes us feel good. And in the depths of winter, this has been a really joyful project.
As is tradition, our drummer is going to count us in.
Everyone had part of like mentioning lyrics and beats of how to do this. Everyone kind of just merged all the ideas together to make the song, which is really exciting. So it's a class song, and it has lots of different likes and things that people love and like into the song. So it's a piece of everyone. It's a song about it's similar to Don't Worry, Be Happy. So don't forget your fears. Always be happy. Life is too short to be sad, as said in the song. Hey, 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 why? Woo!
Practice and we're ready for the show, is all we all thinking that. Yeah, it's been a good day actually. I'm feeling good, yeah.
Part of the project was that we had a performance and that we shared our music, but also part of the project was that we had these interactive workshops as well. And for lots of our participants, this was a real opportunity to explore sound and to explore ways that they communicate. A number of our participants in this project are non-verbal, so they had to communicate with us in a different way, and the musical language that was happening between some of those instrumental interactions and musical interactions was really fantastic, and a lovely thing, not only for us but also for the class teachers to be able to see as well. We had some real explorations going on with the different types of instruments, the brass instruments, but also there's something really magical about that idea of call and response, or copying and mimicking, and there was lots of action and interaction going on in that area with our percussion instruments as well.
I think a project like this is really exciting to bring into a school like this, because it not only gives them an opportunity to experience music with the musicians that we've got working on the project, but also to develop their musical skills as well. So it's linking their everyday experiences with something new, working with their friends, with people that they don't know, to improve musical skills, and also just to have fun as well.
So the structure for this project has been quite intense. We had 4 workshops in total without each school and each class, and 3 of those sessions were with myself alone. I'm a pianist and a composer, and we spent those first sort of 3 sessions really sort of exploring their musical ideas, their songwriting skills, writing new lyrics and creating their new songs. And then the finale to this project was the opportunity to work really closely with 3 other professional musicians. We had Graham Thew, a percussionist, orchestral percussion, so he not only plays drums and hand percussion but also tuned percussion. We had Tony Waller on trombone and and also a sousaphone as well, which is a kind of marching version of a tuba, which caused great excitement in lots of our schools and classes. And we were also joined by my colleague Oleg, who plays clarinet and soprano saxophone as well. And also the music that they've created. We've had some really fabulous lyric writing in our songs, and it's just been really nice to talk about the things that make us feel good, or how can music change the way that we feel.
Every group has been fantastic, whether the classes have been very small, in some cases 1 or 2 students who have stepped up and really taken it on like a solo performance, or as a whole class, maybe 20 or 30 or 2 classes coming together to either dance or sing or play or even sign the songs. They've been brilliant, and the response from the rest of the school when we performed them as assemblies have also been really excellent.
This project is a collaboration between Soundstorm Music Education Agency and the Coda Music Arts Trust, and it's the 2nd year that we've collaborated together in providing music and songwriting projects for our SEND schools in our local area, and we're really looking forward to continuing that relationship and working together in the future.